Hey guys, another rate law problem here. So we're looking at the reaction A plus B creates C, or reacts to form C. So it's giving us some possible rate laws. There's 5 possibilities, and then it's asking us which one or ones could be true if the following things happen. So our first one says which rate law could be true if the initial rate of reaction increases by a factor of 8 when A and B are doubled. So if we look at the first one, since B is not in there, that tells me that in this one, B is 0 order, it doesn't affect it. So if I double A, the rate would double. So that one doesn't work, okay? Let's see, this one, okay? So A is not included, which means it was 0 order, so B is 2nd order. So if I double B, then it's 4 times greater, so not that, okay? Next one, if I double A and double B, that's 4 times greater. Whew. Okay, let's get the next one. So A is 2nd order and B is 1st order. So if I double the first one and I double the second, that's 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8 times. Okay, so that one works. And let's just double check the next one to make sure there's not 2 correct. So 2 squared plus 2 squared, so that's times. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so that doesn't work. So this one is just 4. Okay, I'm gonna erase that, and we will look at the next scenario. Okay, so the next one says, which rate law could be true if the initial rate of the reaction increased by a factor of 2 when A and B are doubled? Okay, so in the first one, A is the only thing that affects the rate. So when we double A, the reaction is 2 times faster, which is what we were looking for. Okay, let's just double check the next ones. So if it's just B, 2 squared is 4. A times B, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 squared times 2 is 8, and 2 squared times 2 squared is 16. Okay, so for sure our answer is just the first one there. Okay, so you guys, on the AP test, since it is all just multiple choice now, questions like this are going to be really important for you to be able to answer, to kind of look at, okay, if I do this, what would happen? Which rate law could be true if the initial rate of reaction does not change when A is doubled? So the key here is it does not change when A is doubled and B is held constant. So that means that A has no effect on it, which means that A had to be 0 order, which means it's not included. So the only one that it's not included in is the second rate constant there. So again, you guys, being able to look at how does increasing or multiplying by different factors or dividing by different amounts change the overall answer is something that we're really going to be working on in the next couple of weeks.